Hello guys, my name is Daniel Perez and this is my milestone 2 for project and portfolio 4 at Philsat University, and I'm just going to be going over my project Skybound Dash and picking up where we left off last week. So basically I haven't really updated my Trello, which I should. I'll just update it right now. So I'm gonna say hmm let's say game bugs. So all game bugs and tidy up. We'll add a list, and I can add stuff to this. So basically, this week what I went over was I went through last week's work and I worked out all the bugs and issues. So I played the game a couple times. So like with you guys, I played it, and there was collision detection. Let me pull up Unity, and there was collision detection, and he was jumping, score detection, and all that stuff, right? But it turns out, as I played the game, I noticed that if the fish hit the ground, it wouldn't end the game. There was no collision detection on the ground, actually. So this week, one of my commits, I'll show you right here on GitHub. Commits this week was made a new branch, menu bugs, and I added a ground collider trigger. So I'll show you what that is right now. So all I did was, it was actually very simple. When I noticed that, all I did was I went over here, my ground, where's my ground, that ground. And I just added a box collider and set a trigger. That's it. I made sure the ground was tagged as an obstacle, of course. And that was one of the bug fixes I went through today. And another topic we should discuss is GitHub. So I ran into another issue with GitHub. It's driving me crazy. I was able to check out my other branch and merge it onto main, and then I'm having issues now when I try to upload to GitHub. Maybe I'll show you right now. It's not complicated or anything like that, but I just don't know what to do. I don't want to break anything, and so I have a bunch of changes here. I want to say we'll go stash changes. Oh my gosh, my bad. Here, right now. So I'm getting this warning LF, this CRLF. And I can go ahead, I guess I could do it manually to accept those. Maybe I'll try that, but yeah, just take both those off. Stage changes, so commit. Say the stage all changes, right? And I get this warning and I just hit cancel. And so I've been using the terminal over here. I've been running some stuff in the terminal, trying to figure out what it is, and just troubleshooting with like Stack Overflow and stuff like that. But I don't know. I had the issue before previously, and I forgot what I did. I did something. It's gonna come to me, and I'll be like, "Oh my god, I was so stupid." It's not that big of a deal, but I'm just having a tough time right now. And so that leads into why I was only able to push one commit so far on my main bugs branch. And I don't know why these other commits are here in this branch, but that is another issue I need to figure out. But ground collider is pushed, and then another bug fix. That's what I was getting to, that I couldn't make a commit and push was, what was it? Let me go back to the game. Oh yeah, that's right. So look, I added when when he dies, it wasn't restarting in the center again. So let's say like you played and like you were going all the way up here, and let's say boom, you died up here. It was doing something weird, and so I added this function so that when you die, you restart back in the middle. You'll see, you die. You don't really notice, but you hit the ground, look, you start back in the middle. You go up here, you start back in the middle. And I can change the position he starts in with this function right here. It's in my player script on enable, so you can see his position is transformed. And yeah, so this is basically the center right here. The 0 center, it's direction, position right here, 0. And that was one of the bugs I had. And the last bug that I wasn't able to make a commit and push up to GitHub, that was going to be its own separate thing. I don't know why I'm getting amnesia all of a sudden. Oh yeah, it was this. Let me show you. So spawner. Let me see the spawner. I thought the height of the pipes, the height and the spawn rate. So the spawn rate was 3.5. I changed it to 4, and the max height that this pipes can spawn at, I changed to 2 instead of 1. So it was random between 1 and -1. So it was either -1, 0, or 1. And now since I changed it to 2, there's a lot more variety because I felt like it was just every pipe was just spawning in the same spot. I felt like it wasn't really any fun. If you noticed in the game, my previous video, I feel like the pipes weren't moving as much. So I changed this to 2, and I changed the spawn rate to 4. So now the pipes are a little bit different. So you might not have noticed, but you'll see it's a little bit higher now. So you see that pipe's definitely a little bit higher than it was in the other video I showed, and so is the top one. I'm thinking maybe next week I might change the pipes. I don't know. I'm not really digging the pipes. I feel like they don't really match my game. Maybe I might change the pipes. I might change a couple other things. I think the spawn rate is good. I'm gonna keep playing, but I think 4 is good. I might change it to 4.5, maybe, but I think 4 is good. But yeah, other than that, that's what I basically got into. I did the ground collision. I just added a 2D collision box and made it a trigger. I reset position. So show you that reset position. Back down here. Back down here, and then I also this week messed with the pipes, spawn rate, and the position they spawn in. And yeah, so what really held me back this week was GitHub. GitHub has always been a thorn in my side. I need to either brush up or practice more. I like GitHub desktop, but I think I might switch. Next project I do, I might go get Tortoise so I can see the branches, because I think if I see the branches, I won't forget to merge, or I won't forget to commit stuff, or I won't not just forgetful. I can see the actual tree and the branch. So I might get Tortoise more often, and then once I 100% confident in my abilities, go back to using maybe Git desktop, because I like to get GitHub desktop, but I like seeing the tree. What anything else that hindered me back this week might have been my scheduling. I need to fix my time, organize my time better. This week I'm gonna get on that, and I'm gonna update my Trello board right after this. So for Milestone 3, I can have a Trello board, and I can have some other things to share with you, some other objectives that hopefully I would have accomplished for week 3. This game is almost done. Let's play the game a little bit more. I talk to you guys. This game is almost finished, so I'm not sure what more I want to add. to this, maybe a menu afterwards. I know I said high score, but I was thinking high score would have to collect data from previous games, and I don't know. That maybe not might not be too difficult. I might look into that, but I was thinking of that maybe menu after death. I don't know about the menu. I might fix the game over a little bit, fix it up, maybe get a new game over, maybe make this bigger. I'm not sure. Now I'm just rambling on, but yeah. So things that held me back was my schedule. I didn't schedule my time better. GitHub. I need to get better at GitHub. And if in this third week, if I can get my GitHub straight and I can schedule my time better, hopefully I can, maybe do something big this week with the project, or even be on time with my stuff. Other than that, yep. I'm gonna conclude this video. Thanks for watching.